You must also represent the 0.312 diameter circular features in the front view and in the side view. To project them from the top view into the front view, these circles will appear as hidden lines. This circle will start at the top surface of the foot and go down through the bottom surface. This happens for all 4 feet. So we must show that in the drawing. And the way you will show that is to trim these hidden lines to where they only appear between these 2 lines representing the feet. In our modify section, you will find your trim command. Click on the top surface of the foot and the bottom surface. Press enter. Click on the top portion of the hidden line and the bottom portion. You will repeat this process for this foot. You will notice that your hidden lines do not look similar to the hidden lines that you used to represent the sliding jaw guide. We will need to change what is called the line type scale for these lines. So select each of these lines and do a right mouse button click. You should see the properties command after you do the right mouse button click. In the general section of your properties dialog box, you will change the line type scale in typing in 0.25. Press enter. So that is how you change the line type scale for selected items in the model space of the drawing. Where we have the 0.312 diameter circular features represented in the front view, we also must represent those in the feet in the side view. We will use the line tool using the quadrant. Drag this line straight across the 45-degree line. Press enter, and we will repeat this process for the top and bottom of each circle. Then we will just transfer these lines down to the side view. Using the endpoint. Again, make sure that your ortho is active. This will make sure that these lines that you are drawing are perfectly straight. Just as we did in the front view, we would use the top and the bottom surfaces of the feet to trim the hidden lines that represent the 0.312 diameter circular features. So we will go to the trim, click on the top surfaces of the feet and the bottom surfaces. Press enter, click on the top part of the hidden line that you want to delete and the bottom. Press enter. Just as before, we will need to change the properties of the line type scale for these lines. So you will select each of the hidden lines, do a right mouse button click, do not do a control right mouse button click, just do a right mouse button click after you select the hidden lines. Go to properties. You should see your properties dialog box appear. Where it says line type scale, you will change this value to, in this case, 0.25 and press enter.